Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make coconut rice or khao kati. Normally Thai people they have coconut rice with som tam. It go very well with som tam. Not really good with the or the curry because this coconut, this one coconut or the coconut, right? And the right, the ingredient is not much. A few pieces of ginger, 2 pieces of whole lemongrass, coconut milk, and we use the pandan leaf, but we're going to make the juice, not just put the leaf throw in there. This one we make the juice, it get the aroma from pandan leaf, okay, and jasmine rice, right? We make the juice by the blender. Use the blender, put a little bit of water, and then blend it and squeeze with this cloth.
Ooh, it's a ghost!
Right. Okay. Right, you can get the green color from the pandan leaf. Yeah.
What was that, cheesecloth or muslin or something?
Muslin you can get from
Chop.
the shop.
Yeah.
Like but I don't know this one, most of the Thai chef they bring from Thailand.
No.
Yeah, look the color. Right. Okay, first we need to wash rice enough for 1 or 2 portion. This one for crispy man. Okay.
You wash that, huh?
No.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
We wash the 4-5 times rice. ดูจะกินกับส้มตำor ต้มข่า And the last secret is salt. Only half teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're going to make. Okay, this one you smash. Yeah, you crush it first. Okay, put in the rice and ginger. Don't forget to wash the ginger.
ไม่ใส่กะลังเกาเหรอ
No, ginger.
คือทำอะไรวะลูก
เกลือก็ไม่can taste
No, what I chop
อ๋ออยู่ก็จับทำไมอ่ะ
ก็นั่นน่ะสิ but when you bang the table it's gonna go
Okay, we put the coconut milk. This one about quarter of the small tin. Yeah, yeah, because this one too thick. And then we put the juice. Yeah,
so
the
this one is your water.
Yeah,
Put the rice.
yeah. Instead of water, we put the pandan juice. I think the people want to know how much of the water we put it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you can see from you put this one the finger right to the end.
Yeah.
Just the half of
the joint.
yeah, the half of the first joint.
Oh, half of the
Yeah.
first joint.
Okay. And salt. Yeah. And we stir. The salt just for the taste of the rice is not just too plain. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah.
And then we just
juice,
yeah, enough juice. Yeah. Yeah, if put too much, become just too wet. If too little, become too hard. Okay, and I think it's about 10-12 minutes. Go. Done.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Here. You look here. You.
ก็มันจะดูหน้าอยู่
อ๋อ
Okay, I have to change to the another rice cooker. The other one broken because of creepy man did it.
What happened to the rice?
Yeah, but this one okay.
What happened to the rice?
Okay.
What happened to the rice?
The rice burn.
Oh dear.
Okay, then I have to prepare the new ingredient, the one you know that how much, right? And then after this one, the coconut rice is look like this, right? And then you smell. Okay. After, if you want to eat, actually you can eat the lemongrass, you can eat the ginger. If you don't like, you just throw it or throw to the creepy man. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. This one, the creepy man going to have with som tam. Yeah.
Okay.
For his breakfast. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.
So if one hears of coconut rice in all its glory, Actually, you know what? It's been a long time since I had this kind of coconut rice. Oh, that's good. Alright, let's try it with some tam. It really does go really well with some tam actually. I've never tried it with some tam. So it's light, fragrant, Moorish, and just yeah, I don't know, it just adds an extra dimension to your rice.